I have uploaded over 100 videos on YouTube, and trust me, for every video I upload, I use a beautiful and professional YouTube thumbnail to make sure that that video appeals to the audience. Now, I want to show you how I have been able to design thumbnails for over 100 videos that I have uploaded on this channel. Whether you're a graphic designer or not, I want to show you how you can do this within a few minutes using only your smartphone. And trust me, it is free. You are not paying for a software, you're not paying for a training or a course. Right here in this video, I want to show you how you can design beautiful and professional YouTube thumbnails just like the ones you are seeing on your screen right now. So right now, I'm taking you to my smartphone screen where I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can design your YouTube thumbnail professionally for free using your smartphone. Let's go.
Hello, so I'm on my smartphone right now, and let me show you how you can design a YouTube thumbnail on your phone. Now, the application we will be using for this tutorial is called Pixel, and Pixel is available for free for all Android users on Google Play Store. If you use an iPhone, I'm not sure it's available on Apple Store, but you might check. If it's not available, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you an alternative to use. Now we'll open Pixel, and before we proceed with this tutorial, I want you to know that I have also made a few other videos on YouTube thumbnail design in the past, but I'm just bringing this back for the sake of new subscribers and people who haven't watched those videos. So the very first thing we'll be doing is to choose the size of our image. So to do that, you click on this button right here, click on image size, click on custom, and select YouTube thumbnail, then click OK. So this is the perfect image size for creating YouTube thumbnails. Now, one thing I want to do is to change my background. So I'm going to click on this, click on color, and select blue. Then I'll click on OK. Now, one thing I'll do is add my image. So make sure you have removed the background of your image so that you can use it for your designs. I'm going to position this right here. And not just that, I'll click on the shape. I'll choose circle, use circle shape. Then I'll put it behind my image. So to put it behind the image, just click on this tool that says to back and goes behind the image. And then I want to add my text, so I will just click on YouTube thumbnail. And I'll increase the size, and I'll change the fonts. To change the fonts, click on fonts and select your list of fonts that you have. So right now we reduce the size in between, the space in between the lines. I'm going to reduce it to, I think, this. Then I'll position it here a little bit. Then I'll also add some shadow behind it, behind my text. This makes my text more, eye-catching. So that's it. Then I'm going to add another text, new tutorial. And I'm going to change the font to something else. Probably use this. And I'll position it right there. And then I'll add another text. Smartphone edition. And I would also change the font type. I'm going to use something else. Yeah, maybe I'll use this. But that's not all. I'm also going to do something. I'll click on shape. I'll choose square, and I will increase this a little bit, the radius. Then I'll resize my shape, to be the size of this text right here. And then I'll click on OK. Then I'll make this text red. I could make it red if I want to, or I might just make it white, just leave it white. Then I'll place it behind the text. I'll click on to back to place it behind that text. So right now it is behind the text, but you can't see it because that text is white. So right now I'm going to make sure I change the color of that text, where I wrote smartphone edition. I'll click on it, and then I'll change the color to blue, so you can see what just happened. And that's it. Could decide to make the color of this text red. Yeah, I think this is fine now. So basically we are done with our YouTube thumbnail, but we might just want to add a little detail. So I might just want to add this. To it. This is something I use on most of my designs, most of my simple designs. Yeah. Then I'm going to change the font to this, and I'll reduce the spaces in between. I could just bring this down here, and that's it. Then I could also do this if I want to. Then I'll change the font to this. I'll click on OK, and I'll adjust the spaces in between. Then I would shift it, use this tool right here to shift it. I could just make it like this, and that's it. Then right now, if you don't want your background to be blue, you can just click on color and always change this to something else. You can see this is also fine. You can make it red, you can make it yellow, almost any color you want. You can make it this. You could change it to a gradient, make it a gradient color, depending on what you want exactly. So that's it on how you can design your YouTube thumbnail. And when you're done, if you want to save your project, click on this button right here and click on save as image. Then click save to gallery, and it will be saved to your gallery automatically. So that's it on how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching.